Hi, my name is Dick.
And my name is Edna, and we're here to teach you Balboa. What we're going to do today is a toss out in Balboa. So we'll show you what it looks like first. We're going to start with the downhold basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So if you want to see the basics, you'll have to go back and look at our other videos. So Dick, you want to explain this one?
Okay, I'm going to start with a downhold basic. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. So I'm in dance position, I'm all set, and I go left foot back.
2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
From here, I'm going to bounce away on my 1, 2, 3 and go
1, 2, 3.
From here, I'm going to hold 4. I'm going to hook my foot around and separate from the partner. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
Okay, I'll show my footwork right here. So what we do is we taught an out and in. So this is like part of an out and in. So we're gonna just go right into it. He's gonna go out and in. He did a quarter turn. Notice my foot went in between his 2 feet. So that was 1, 2, 3. We're gonna hold 4. He's gonna toss me out on 5 as he hooks. I step to the side 5. I'm gonna step down 6. I'm gonna kick 7, 8, and then I'm gonna go around 1, 2, 3, and then he finishes the come around.
So without stopping.
Okay, we'll do it without stopping. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. I want to do it from a different angle right here. So he takes me, he does a quarter turn.
I'll do the basic first.
1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. He's going to go 1, 2, 3. He steps outside partner. I sit in between. I'm going to step down on 5 as he takes me, because that was 3, hold 4. Here's 5. I'm going to step down 6. We're going to kick 7, 8. He turns me around. Bum, bum, bum. I'll do the numbers this time. 1, 2, 3, hold 4, 5, 6, 7, hold 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. So that is a toss out in Balboa or Balboa swing. Talk to you later. Bye-bye.